Hello guys, welcome back to Ngo Baby's Kitchen. If it's your first time to come across my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will see all type of food if you want to learn. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my prawn coconut spaghetti recipe. Stay tuned and watch this video.
Girl, now you the ginger. If you know how you the cause it drop. Shit, you know go one person.
The ingredients I use are spring onions, hot pepper, onions and bell pepper, carrots and prawns. Also use mushroom, coconut milk, spaghetti and garlic. Seasonals I use are curry, salt, jumbo crayfish flavor, black pepper, olive oil. I normally use olive oil. So now we start. Add oil in the pan. Then this is the prawn. We first of all steam the prawn. Then you turn it. Make sure you steam it very well. Wow, this is the right color before you take it out. We are not going to put any seasoner when we are steaming the prawn because we will later cook it together. So now we take it out. So now we start adding carrots, add onions. This is the bell pepper. We add the mushroom. This is delicious. Try it, you will enjoy it. Make sure you prepare it properly how I prepare it. Now we add the coconut milk. This is my recipe. Adding curry powder. We add the black pepper, we add curry. Try it, you will enjoy it. Now we add the jumbo flavor. 1 spoon. It depends on you how many spoons of Maggi you like. Now we add salt. We are going to prepare it for 15 minutes. Now we add the spring onions. We add it last. It depends on you, but if you want to enjoy coconut spaghetti, try to make it properly how I make it. You will enjoy it. I tell you, this is special, delicious. Now we cover it. You add the prawn inside. Make sure after adding everything, you add the prawn inside. They will cook together. Guys, now we prepare the spaghetti. I know everyone knows how to prepare spaghetti. Now the spaghetti is ready. We have to mix it. I'm mixing it with the vegetable. That is the milk inside the sauce. Mix it together. Guys, you need to try this. Sometimes we need to invent our own food. This is outcome of coconut spaghetti. Wow, yummy. Guys, try it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't watch and go. Drop your like, drop your comments. Let me know the next food you want. I'm here for you to teach you all type of food that you never had. You will see it in Ngo Baby's Kitchen. So guys, drop your comment and like. Thanks for watching.
Girl, now you the ginger. If you know how you the cause it drop. Shit, you know go one person.